Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a nearby store on the Hervis application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this button down below in the left side corner of the screen, which is your home page, and then go to the top of the screen and tap on this location button at the top next to the profile icon in the right side. Here you are going to find a map, so you can tap on the relevant or zoom in and find your country, then your city, and tap on the relevant store you are interested in, or you can also use the search bar. So type in the city, and here you can find all of the available stores. So tap on a relevant one. Here you can find the address, then the opening hours, the telephone number or phone number, and their email address too. If you want to, you can plan your direction to the store by tapping on this blue button in the middle of the screen, and you can choose either the Apple or Google Maps option, and you can also add it to your favorites by tapping on this white button. So basically that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.